Hi, Sarah Banas here, Spectrum Weavers. I am going to show you a super neat product today. This is an overlay that's going to allow you to distress anything that you want. You can distress any fonts that you own, any designs, any vector at all. And it's going to distress it in a pattern that is easy to weed. This is a product that was specifically built for vinyl cutters. So uh, I'll go ahead and I'll link this. Like I said, this one is it's just a great product. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to link this specific overlay in the description. It comes with three separate overlays. Two of them are for print, and this one is the one that's for vinyl cutters. So just make sure that you upload the correct one. So the first thing we're going to do is um, we're not going to go to file, import SVG. We're actually going to bring it in as a traced image. So open your trace panel. Now, this is the PNG of the overlay. In other programs, you would use the SVG, but because of the way Canvas is set up, we have to take an extra step, and it's not a big deal. So just follow what I'm doing. You're going to, again, open the trace panel, and then you're going to select, you're going to navigate to your PNG, and you're going to select that and open it. Okay. And then what you need to do is you need to bring these inside. You can see this black edge on it. You need to bring each of these inside of that edge. Okay, now you click OK. See, that wasn't so bad. And now you need to, there we go. Select all of it, draw a box around all of it. And then you need to be on top of one of these boxes inside of it. Right click, click group. Okay, and then, oops. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color of it so that we can see what we're doing. Okay. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 that we're going to do. So let's go ahead and duplicate this 5 times. Okay. And then we'll select all of these and move them all over here. We only need one of them at a time. Bring this right here. Okay. And let's go ahead and do this one first because I really like this one. So you can see, I mean, that it's a cute design by itself, but wait until you see the difference when, I'm going to take and I'm going to duplicate this so that you can see one against the other, the finished against the original. So the first thing you're going to want to do, you can see that this is in front of the overlay. Right click, arrange, send to back. Okay, you want it behind it. And so you can see the pieces that are going to be removed. You're going to want to resize this so that the pieces that are coming out are the size that you want removed. Okay, and then move it around until you're happy with the pieces where the pieces are that are going to be removed. I'm happy with that. So then you're going to want to select both and then come over here to your right hand panel, click remove overlap. canvas is a little bit slow. There we go. And now move this over here, and there is your distressed design. It looks so good. I love that. I love it when you pull it away from it and you get to see what you're left with. Let me just get rid of this. You got to actually select all of it to get rid of it because it obviously breaks it down into pieces. No, I shouldn't have put it so close. Delete. Okay, so just look at this and look at the difference. I mean, it just looks so good. That would look so good on like a heather gray t-shirt. So look at that versus this. I mean, it's night and day. That looks so good. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this over here. Don't need this. Let's do another one. What should we do next? Let's do this one. I like this one. Now, this is something you have to be aware of two things here, okay? So you have the top of this horn. I shouldn't call it a horn. I'm not really sure what it's called. But anyways, you have the top piece here that you don't want to cut that off, right? You don't want to just lop that off at the top. So be aware of that and be aware of your letters. You don't want any massive chunks of your letters missing. You want to be able to read what the text says still. Sometimes there is, a little bit of playing around to get it where you want it. I have to reduce the sizes a little bit. There we go. I'm happy with that. Okay, so now I will select both. And again, over here on the right, remove overlap. I should have duplicated that one so you could see the difference between that one and the original too, but that's okay. You understand what it does. Eek, what is it going to look like? Oh, it looks so good. Super, super, super cute. It adds so much value to the design. It takes the design from being, pretty basic to something that I would buy at a store. Delete this over. I'm going to show you this one next because this is two parts. So I am going to do something with this design different. And I am going to leave the text. I'm going to leave the text intact. Oops. Of course, it's not letting me just grab what I want. I'm going to leave the text intact, and I'm just going to distress just this. Oh, perfect. Okay. So go ahead, select both, move overlap. Not super fond of that yellow. Let's look at something else here. Let's maybe do it. It's not my favorite either, but that's okay. Oops. That wasn't what I wanted. Okay. Okay. So. Oh my goodness. That wasn't what I wanted either. There we go. So again, that would look really, really good on a t-shirt. So gotta get rid of this. And just 2 more and I'll knock these out real quick because obviously you already understand how it all works. So let's make this bigger. Again, you're dealing with the letters. You want to make sure your letters, you're not knocking out large parts of anything important on your letters. It's good there. What is it going to look like? It looks awesome. Okay, one more. And then we are done. Bring this one over. And bigger, 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 bigger. Again, you don't want to take off any of the tips. You're going to try to leave the tips intact. Select both. Remove overlap. There you go. And that is how you use the distressed overlay. How neat is that? So, like I said, I will go ahead and I will link this product in the in the description of the video. I'm also going to link if you want to join, I have a Facebook group, free designs and fonts for Cricut and Silhouette. It's also for Scan and Cut, but when I named the group, unfortunately, I didn't have enough room to add Scan and Cut, so Cricut and Silhouette is what it was. So, but it's a great little group, and I add lots of free files all the time, and I do allow commercial use on the free files. So please feel free to join us. I will link the group in the description as well. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask them below. That's it. Have a great day. Just going to go ahead real quick and oops, I want to put these all in order for you so you can see them all separate. Okay, there you go. Eek. All right, have a good day.